Did you go?
No. Hello. Oh, I can't see.
Oh, we got it.
Hi.
Nay.
That was kind of a
Where the frick are you? I can't see. Don't see a thing. Ah, jeez.
I'm a cabbage.
This one's not long.
This one.
I broke one!
Guys, please don't play with them. Alright, that's like a snake. Here, look at me.
How do you get through this?
Hello?
Wait, how do you get through this? How do you get through this? Dude,
Hello?
what the? Lines everywhere. Hi. There's a bunch of kids here. Oh, wrong way. I think this is the wrong way, probably. I'm just guessing. Where are we going, dude? I think we're going to a total dead end right now.
Okay, so I've been through this thing so many times. I know the path.
There's always people that are like, shit. Go.
Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3. Pull it all the way back.
Try it again.
Look.
Try it again.
Beautiful.
That was a beautiful shot.
That was just beautiful.
That was awesome.
Watch out, Jack. Give him room. Please don't
Go.
fall on your butt. Please don't fall.
That went somewhere.
Good.
Alright, so this is a slingshot. Hope I make this.
Whoa! Holy moly! That was a 300.
I hit 300. Alright, I'm gonna go for that big red target or the 200.
Bullseye. Whoa!
Goal.
Close. No cigar.
It went like around the target over there somewhere. Set, go.
Whoa, here.
Oh!
If you go to the tree, there's...
We're missing one.
No, it's not.
No, it's Ashley. Go. 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 Oh, that went somewhere.
Alright, watch out.
Go.
Don't fall on your butt.
Go. Go.
Oh, look at that one.